I think we officially reached the point where AI image generators are getting ridiculous. A few years ago, generating a decent image with AI felt like a lucky accident. Now, you type a sentence. A few seconds later, you get artwork, product photos, marketing visuals, character designs, even videos that honestly look like they took hours to create. And one platform that's been showing up everywhere lately is Leonardo AI. So today, I'm jumping inside, testing the features, checking out the workflow, and seeing whether Leonardo AI actually lives up to the hype. Let's get into it. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you're into AI tools, design, content creation, or you're simply curious about what modern AI can create, you've probably heard the name Leonardo AI. It's become one of the biggest AI creative platforms out there, with millions of users creating everything from concept art to product mock-ups and marketing content. But the real question is it actually easy to use? And what makes it different from the dozens of other AI image generators popping up every month? Let's take a closer look. At its core, Leonardo AI is an all-in-one generative AI platform focused on visual creation. You can generate images from text prompts, create videos, upscale existing visuals, build artwork, create design assets, and even experiment with 3D-related workflows. The moment you open the platform, it feels less like a simple AI image generator and more like a complete creative workspace. Instead of giving you one single tool, Leonardo gives you multiple creation modes right from the dashboard: images, videos, 3D tools, blueprints, upscaling, drawing features, and a bunch of workflow templates to help you get started faster. Honestly, that's one of the first things that stood out to me. Everything feels organized around creating, not just generating. Let's be real. One of the biggest challenges when creating visuals is turning an idea in your head into something you can actually see. Whether you're designing a presentation, brainstorming concepts, creating social media graphics, or working on a creative project, getting that first visual can take forever. Leonardo removes a lot of that friction. Instead of opening multiple design programs and spending hours experimenting, you can simply describe your idea and start generating variations almost instantly. What I really like is that it doesn't feel limited to artists. Even if you're not a designer, you can still create surprisingly polished visuals just by describing what you want. And that's where the platform becomes genuinely useful. Let's talk about some of the features I noticed. First, image generation. This is obviously the star of the platform. You type your prompt, choose your settings, and Leonardo creates multiple image variations for you. From realistic photography to illustrations and cinematic artwork, the range is pretty impressive. Next is video generation. This is where things start getting really interesting. Instead of stopping at static images, Leonardo is also moving into AI-powered motion content, allowing creators to generate video-based outputs directly inside the platform. Then there's the Upscaler. If you've ever generated an image that looked great but needed higher quality, the upscaling feature helps improve resolution without having to recreate everything from scratch. I also noticed blueprints. Think of these as pre-built creative workflows. There are templates for product showcases, storyboards, cinematic scenes, reference generation, and more. And honestly, for beginners, this might be one of the most useful parts of the entire platform, because instead of figuring everything out yourself, you can start with a proven setup and customize from there. One thing I wasn't expecting was how polished the interface feels. A lot of AI tools are powerful but overwhelming. Leonardo feels surprisingly approachable. The homepage immediately encourages you to create something, and seeing all the community creations displayed right inside the platform is actually pretty inspiring. You start realizing how many different styles people are creating: photorealistic portraits, brand logos, posters, product renders, fantasy art, interior concepts. The variety is honestly crazy. It feels less like using a tool and more like stepping into a giant creative playground. Now let's talk pricing. Leonardo does offer a free plan, which is great if you just want to experiment and see how the platform works. The free tier includes daily generation tokens and access to public creations. If you need more generation power, the paid plans start at around $12 per month for the essential plan. Then there are premium and ultimate plans at roughly $30 and $60 per month, offering significantly more monthly tokens, additional AI models, higher generation limits, and expanded creative capabilities. So whether you're just testing AI creation or using it regularly for creative projects, there are multiple options depending on how much content you're generating. Overall, Leonardo AI feels like one of the most complete AI creative platforms available right now. It's not just about generating images anymore, it's about creating visuals, videos, concepts, designs, and creative assets all inside one ecosystem. If you've been looking for an AI tool that goes beyond simple image generation, Leonardo AI is definitely worth checking out. If you've already tried it, let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.